Payroll Records. This is where you can set payroll records for your organization. Before you can start on this page, you need to start with the HR settings. Go to HR App, HR Settings page. Enter the payroll date. This is the date which payroll must run. On this date, the system will automatically run payroll for you by producing payslips for your employees and adding their pay amounts to the company expenses. If you would like to run payroll manually, leave this date blank. Enter the company leave allowance, vacation leave, sick leave, family leave and study leave. This is the amount of days that will be credited to employees' leave balance on a monthly basis. This amount must be in line with your HR policies and employee employment contracts. When you are done, click this button to save. Return to the Payroll Records page. Click HR App, Payroll Records. You will now see the payroll date you selected at the top as a reminder. Click on the full names or details column to see the detailed payroll records for this employee. You only have to set the payroll details once, unless if the salary details change. When you run payroll, the details you set here will be used to produce the monthly payslip for the employee. To view what the payslip would look like, click on the View Mock Payslip button. You will see a PDF version of what the payslip is going to look like. In this case, there is a lot of missing information. 1. The company address information is supposed to go here, but it is missing. We need to complete this in the HR settings page. 2. The employee information. Banking details are missing. Only the employee can enter this information from inside their personal apps. As HR manager, you can remind them to do so. The salary information is also missing. We need to complete this now. Let us go back and complete this information. Click on HR App, HR Settings. Go to the second tab that says Company Address Settings. Enter address line 1. Enter the town that you are in. Complete the missing postal code. Save the form. Return to the payroll records. Click HR Payroll Records. Select the employee. Enter their basic salary. You can enter any deductions here, and the reasons for the deductions, if applicable. Enter the tax amount that is payable by the employee. In some cases, depending on your country, this amount may be calculated for you. But it is still your responsibility to make sure it is correct. Save the basic salary information. You can view the summary of the employee cost details here, at the top of the page every time to adjust the variables. Now it is time to enter employee benefits. If there are any benefits such as car allowance or a housing subsidy, you can add it here. Click Add New Benefit. Enter the name of the benefit, such as car allowance. Enter the amount of the allowance or benefit. Click Save. View Mock Payslip again. Remember to remind the employee to complete all personal records details. Go back to the payroll list. You have the option of not running payroll automatically on the selected date, and running it manually. Just make sure you do not have a payroll date set on the system. You can click the Run Payroll button at the top of the page to manually run the payroll. Please note, payslips will be immediately produced with this pay information and made available to the employees. The employees will be able to download these payslips at any time. The accounting records of the company will be updated to reflect the payroll expense. If you are happy, press Continue Run Payroll.